1978 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door hardtop Brougham here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 360 V8 with a 4-barrel on it. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC was in it, but it has been converted to 134A. Cool colors, kind of a, I don't know, medium, not quite a dark blue metallic. Nice looking color on this car. Let's take a look at the chrome and grill up front. I did notice a little bit of pitting on the grill, as you can kind of see. Still has a nice shine to it though, don't get me wrong. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see this from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find all the pics. Of course, if you're watching it on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Radial tires. You can see the wheels with the beauty rings and center caps. Look around those wheel wells, nice shape. Down this whole passenger side, I mean, it's nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. White vinyl top. Blue leather interior, of course, the plush. Top of the line New Yorker interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a look underneath the hood, stick around to the very end. Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A little bit of aging on the vinyl top there. All right, quick note from the technician on this one. Minor powertrain seep, typical of a car that's driven. All right, new on this car, battery, idler and pitman arms, rear wheel cylinders, front brake hoses, pads, and the rotors were turned. It will come with a car cover, parts catalog, repair manual, owner's manual, 8-track tapes, an 8-track tape to cassette player converter. Who remembers them? And I did have the 8-track player working in this a little bit earlier. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear. The bumper looks good. If you haven't watched our videos before, I'd like to ask, who remembers what those are for, and how old are you if you do remember? Sorry. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these 70s larger vehicles, luxuries out of the 70s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And as you can see, driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you may find an imperfection here or there, a touch-up, but overall that paint has a nice shine to it, looks good. Of course, when I say the 4-door hardtop, there's no pillar there. Very cool look on these 4 doors. All right, appears to be the original interior. Of course, on this you're going to have power windows, power locks, a power seat over here on the driver's side, leather seating surfaces. Those look like they are original. You know, they're wrinkled and worn kind of naturally, like the hide will do. Show their age a little bit, but you know what? They're only original once. Tilt column. Let's fire this up. Again, that 360. Ooh, that spun right over. Chronometer, digital clock in a 78. Think of that. Gas gauge appears to be working. Alternator, if you can see that. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. Wouldn't expect that to be up much. Odometer reads 80,736. I cannot confirm or deny that that's the actual miles, just because once a vehicle is a certain age, the mileage does not stay on the title. It's marked exempt. Dash looks good. Must have been kept indoors. We have a power antenna switch right here. Let's check this out. Power antenna's working. Raise it back up. Let's turn on that radio. And then 8-track player, of course. A little bit of static when turning the volume knob, but doesn't sound too bad. How about the headliner? Looks good. And you'll be able to see the interior from every angle in those still pictures also. Let's take a listen. Pretty smooth. All right, there is a hood release inside on this one. I think I might be able to get this one-handed. Let's check it out. All right, if you look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. So again, power steering, power brakes. There's a battery disconnect runs in between drives or storage. The 360 V8 has been converted AC 134A fittings. Smooth runner, no doubt. 1978 Chrysler New Yorker. Brougham, call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chrysler New Yorker. This is a beautiful big four-door in blue on blue. Pillow top, cushion seats. I just want to stay here. It makes me feel like I'm sitting on the couch at home while I'm driving down the road. Our turn signal indicators work even out on the fenders. 1978. How many years did they put fender indicating blinkers on? After 78. We've still got a hood ornament in 78. Excellent power steering. Now the steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Speedometer's working. Factory radio's working. Very period correct song. Now the temperature gauge is a little over a third of the way up from cold. The alternator right in the middle of the gauge, and the fuel gauge gives me a quarter of a tank. We have a digital clock to the left from chronometer. 78, the beginning of the digital era, maybe. Wipers work. Blower motor also works on this car. One of the ultimate road tripping cars, some of those late 70s, big, comfortable, safe to drive cars. A little bit of traffic, believe it or not. Student driver. We have a student driver in front of us. Brakes very well, brakes smoothly, and just nice and straight. I wasn't able to take the corner at speed, but this car actually handles well for its body style and weight. Let's go around the student driver. Such an easy car to drive. In nice condition. Take a look at all the pictures and see the condition of everything on this car up close at UniqueClassicCars.com.